everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our November kit reveals. If you are watching this, then that means that our kits have revealed, and I'm here sharing them with you. You can find all our kits at www.treasureleekits.com. This month for November, we're doing Christmas in November. We're revealing our Christmas kits early in November, so you can get your cards together, you can get your layouts together, you can have everything ready and sent out before Christmas. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the kits. We have our scrapbook kit, and if you don't know, Treasure Lee Kit Club has 3 different kits each month. We have a scrapbook kit, a card kit, and a mixed media kit. This is our scrapbook kit. It retails for $52. That does include your shipping. And like I said, you can find it on our website at www.treasureleekits.com. While you're there, why don't you just go ahead and subscribe so you never have to miss out on any kit. And speaking of subscribing, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell to make sure you're notified every time that we upload a video. Our designers create with our kits, and we try and do a YouTube live monthly using one of the kits. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump in. First off, we've got some chipboard, and I don't know if you know, but Treasure Lee, we cut our own chipboard in-house. And first up, you're going to get a set of chipboard angels. These are available in the store. There will be a link down below to the store, and you can find these under seasonal. But these are our chipboard. These nice sturdy chipboard. You can see the thickness there, and you get the set of 5. You're also going to get this fun little holly wreath in the kit as well. Next up, you're going to get some flowers. The first set, these are by Little Birdie. There's some pretty red flowers. 13 pieces you get in here overall. And you're also going to get some more flowers. These are poinsettias to go in the kit. And next up, we're going to have some cutouts. For those of you that love to do fussy cutting, you're going to have some cutouts from the kit. And I love these because they're made so you can layer these on top, and you're going to get 6 sheets of these. You get that one. Got some really pretty ornaments here. Lots of fun stuff. And you can layer some of the ornaments. And then you're going to get these little fun doors. Very pretty holiday doors. And then you're just going to get some sheets that you can cut to layer behind your photos. And these coordinate well with the kit. And these are single-sided. Next up, you're going to get 2 sheets of die-cut ephemera. They're already die-cut, so all you have to do is go ahead and punch them out. And how adorable are these? And look at the cute little Christmas kitten. The other sheet, again, you're going to have some ornaments and some wreaths and some flowers. Look at the cute little deer there as well. So that's going to be part of your kit. And now let's get into the papers here. We have papers by 3/4 Design. And I don't know if you know, but they are an international company. They're out of Australia. And the one thing about Treasure Lee, we like to give you papers that are hard to get in the US. So we do a lot of international papers. First up, you're going to have this sheet. And this is your cover sheet. Don't throw it out because they always include something fun on the back. So you're going to have all these cards that you can cut out. You can use these on layouts. You can use these to make extra cards. However you want to do it, just don't throw this sheet out. That's the fun part about it. And there is also going to be another surprise here for you. And you're going to get 10 sheets of paper, not including that one. And look how pretty these papers are. And these are double-sided. Just adorable. This one, all you got to do is throw a little picture in there, a few more embellishments, and it's made. Here's your back side. These are showing the traditional colors for Christmas. Your reds and your greens, your creams, your golds. Here's the back side. These papers are neither masculine or feminine. They're just Christmas papers. I can see some cute girly layouts on here. I can see some masculine layouts on here, especially since we've got some papers that have this textured look to them. Here's another one with that little textured look in the back. How about the Christmas train? Absolutely love it. The back side, this green is so rich and pretty. It's another sheet, the adorable little cherub there. We got more, and if you haven't noticed, on the bottom of these, you've got little strips that you can cut off that you can use these for titles as well. This fun paper. And how adorable is this? My wish list for Santa. I think this would be perfect for those going to see Santa pictures. And here's your last sheet. And remember I said there was going to be a little surprise. On the back of that, they give you ideas of layouts to use all these paper. You can use a few little extra things from your stash to take these layouts up a notch. But how adorable are these? So this is your paper, all 10 sheets. You've got all this ephemera and some more ephemera that you can die cut, plus some stuff for layers. You've got flowers, you've got chipboard. And again, all this can be found on the website at www.treasureleekids.com. But go ahead and subscribe, and you can subscribe to one kid, all 3 kids, or any combination of kids that you like. And also, while you're here, don't forget to like and comment on this video as well. Next up, we're going to have our card kit. Our card kit, again, it's going to be Christmas themed, so we're getting this out early enough to you so you can go ahead and get started on those Christmas cards. This kit retails for $42, and again, it can be found on the website at www.treasureleekids.com. First up, you're going to have some chipboard, because these are going to be our fancy chipboard words, and you will be able to find this set in the store as well if you need extra. But you can't have cards without having titles on them. And so these are cute. You've got joyful. Oh, I'm dropping them. You've got joyful. You've got peace. You've got faith. You've got jolly, believe, merry, Noel, and blessed. And you're getting all of those. Next up, you're going to get this fun little bottle of Stickles. This is glitter glue if you've never used it before, and it's in the shade Glisten. You're going to get a Christmas die. Actually, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 dies in here to use for your Christmas cards. You get these pack of flowers. Yes, I know they're black, and you're thinking black for Christmas, but they're really going to go well with the papers. Trust me on this. You're going to get this pack of ephemera, because these are going to be fun to use as well on your cards. You got 86 pieces here. You get 2 of each one in here, so you can layer all of these. You've got some words, and you've got some images, some frames. They're going to be fun on the cards. And this is from the North Pole collection from Prima Marketing. You're also going to get, and your sheets will vary, but you're going to get a nice sheet of Christmas vellum with gold writing on it. And then for your papers, these are from the North Pole line. And here's another sample of one of the vellum sheets that you might get. You may get one or the other. But here's the paper, and this is 6x8 paper, and it is double-sided. So it'll be perfect for cards, or even if you want to make some Christmas tags, whatever you like, because this die would be really cute to cut some Christmas tags and then go ahead and decorate them. Got this sheet and that. You're going to have a sheet that's got all these little labels on it that you can use. Again, you can just cut this up and use these as Christmas tags, Christmas gift tags. There's the back side. There's another sheet. The back, and here's the last sheet. And also, you're going to get 3 cards with envelopes that you can use to make some of your Christmas cards here. And then you're also going to get 8 sheets of this beautiful, smooth, white heavyweight paper. You can use these for your cards, your tags, however you want to do it. Would be really nice. Go ahead and die cut some of those out with this. But this is your cards, tags, and more kit. And this is our small projects kit, so each month you may get something different. Last month we had cards and a mini album. This month we've got cards, so you can go ahead and make your holiday cards. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. Our mixed media kit, if you've never gotten one of our mixed media kits, our kits are about building your mediums, trying different things, but also getting a small little project. So this is a standalone kit. If you choose just to get the mixed media kit, as soon as you open this, there's always a little project in there, so you can go ahead and start using your mediums. And like I said, come back, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit the notification bell down below, and don't forget to like and comment on the video as well. But like I said, we do a YouTube live, and most of the time we use the mixed media kit because that's the kit that may have stuff in it where you want to see us use it. So first up, we're leaning into the Christmas theme. You're going to get this bigger bottle of alcohol ink. This is the big bottle, and this is in Mojito. It's a nice green for Christmas. You're also going to get another alcohol ink in Crimson. It's a nice red. And then you're going to get some of this alloy ink, and I don't know if you've ever used this, but this is so much fun. This is a little bit thicker. You get to heat this. It does all kinds of fun stuff. So you can get this one in Gilded, which is a really pretty antique gold. And then you're also going to get Sterling, which is a nice silver. And then you're going to get a little container of diamond dust. If you've never used diamond dust before, it's like crushed glass, but it gives everything such a pretty glitter effect without actually using glitter. But just be careful with it because it is kind of crushed glass. Sometimes you can maybe cut yourself on it, so just be careful when you use it. If you have a scoop or something, that'd be the best way to use it. Now for your project, you're going to get these fun little ornaments, and there's going to be 3 of them. And these will be available in the store as well if you want some separate ornaments. But you're going to get these antique bell ornaments. This is the first part of it. And then you're going to get the rest of these to go ahead and decorate your ornaments. So you're going to get all these pieces, and everything that's in the kit can be used on these. And our mixed media kit retails for $47. So this has been all 3 kits for Treasure Lee Kit Club. Again, you can find us at www.treasureleekits.com. I've also got all our social media links listed down below in the description box. So make sure you're following us on all our social media too, so you can be up to date with everything. And join us over in our cafe, where we post projects and layouts and things that we've created with the kit. And also, don't forget, we have a monthly mood board challenge as well. You can win a prize to a gift card to the store. So that's available. You don't have to be a kit subscriber to join. Just make sure you're following us on social media and follow our blog on the website, because everything will be posted there about the challenges and the kits and anything else that we're doing live. So again, thanks for joining us. I'm Kim for Treasure Lee Kit Club, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.